I wanted to spare a couple of minutes to introduce you the Rising Star Workshop and show you how it's all made and introduce you a little bit of the calabash. Calabash is the gourd that we use, and it's the most common gourd for gourd lamps. I see some people use coconuts. We never tried coconuts. I find them too small, and they don't naturally grow in this area. But this is a Mediterranean calabash. We source most of them locally. You know, I work with the farmers. We follow them, we monitor them, and but sometimes when I find nice gourds in other places, I also buy them as well. This is Alanya. It's a small resort in South Turkey, East Mediterranean. We are in the village of Alsallar, which is like 15 miles to the main town, and we live here right very close. You see those yellow buildings. That's where we live with my wife, and this is our workshop. So we have a small little and a happy life, and a wonderful business that we make with love. And yes, calabash, this is how we pick them actually from the farm, and they dry for a couple of months, and they're covered with mud. And then we actually keep them in water for a few hours, and then the skin gets soft, and we rub them to make them ready for drawing, drilling, and beading. Let me show you the interiors. We have two floors. This is the first floor where we make most of the things, and downstairs is mainly for storage. You're gonna see three people working at the moment, but we're actually only three. We agreed with a friend of ours to make sure you know, we can fulfill all the orders that we receive for Christmas. The guy that you see standing and working is a part-time employee at the moment, who is responsible for quality control and for packaging. What he does is he makes sure all the holes are, you know, opened perfectly, and then he makes them ready for shipping. Who is behind the camera is my adorable wife, and then we have two crafters. The lady, Duygu, is a full-time part of the Rising Star team, and anyway, the lady inside is a full-time member of the Rising Star team. She's an artist, and she makes the craft that you see on the wall as well. And again, the man shipping and drilling is part-time, helping us, as I said, to fulfill the Christmas order. This corner is our cozy corner, where we actually draw, bead, and glue. We actually finish we start the boards from here, and we finish them here. And these are the lamps completed, quality control done, and they're going to be boxed and shipped. And in the little desk of ours, and here's the quality control. You know, we're checking each and every single hole. And our quick stock of cords. And here. And that's my chair at the corner. You know, we have four drills ready to drill any time. And let me show you downstairs. Right. This is the basement. Like a Rising Star, we have about 160 designs actively on sale, and only on sale on Amazon, by the way. And this is the only venue we sell. We have our own web page, but it's not so active. It's just for mainly for presentation purposes. And when we have 160 designs, you need a good stock of gourds, because each design demands a particular shape. So you see, this is our stock. They're not cleaned yet. You know, in time we will clean them and turn them into these drillable structure or shape. And this is where we stock them. And this is our packaging area. You know, we try to you know, make sure they're safe on their way. Although sometimes accidents happen, and we have a variety of, you know, boxes. This is our painting area, and you know, we also paint our bases so that they match the lab. And here are some lamps that didn't pass the quality control. So for the time being, we keep them here, and by spring we work on them, and we make sure we somehow use them for a purpose. We don't like to waste anything. So here's the Rising Star workshop, and let's move on showing you how we make your lab.